Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, you can see the drop test of our second product. The test method is the same as shown in the previous video. We place a small amount of sand inside the empty water purifier housing to add weight and simulate the actual product weight. The package is then dropped from a height of 1 meter, from multiple directions, to evaluate the shock-absorbing and impact protection performance of the foam packaging. Now that the drop test has been completed, we open the package for inspection. You may notice that the foam appears to be separated in this area. This is because the structure shown here is part of our initial design, where the foam sections are bonded together with adhesive. If an integrated one-piece molding process is adopted in future designs, this separation will not occur. Next, let's take a look at the product itself. Since the sand was packed in a plastic bag, a small amount of sand has leaked out during the test. However, it is clear that the main unit remains completely intact with no visible damage. This video clearly demonstrates that the customized foam packaging we developed for our customer provides effective and reliable protection, ensuring that the water purifier remains undamaged during drop and impact testing. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.